So today we're going to present to you about the reaction and synthesis of organic chemistry. So this is my group members, which is my partner is Nur Atiqah binti Mohamad Said, and me Aisyah Nadhirah binti Mohamad Apandi. This is the mind map of reaction and synthesis of organic chemistry. So you can look to the mind map that we already create here. So now I'm going to present the reaction of alkene to the alkyl halides. The reaction of a halogen with an alkane in the presence of light or at high temperatures lead to the formation of a haloalkane, which is alkyl halide. Besides, alkyl halides also undergo substitution reaction, which also called a nucleophilic substitution reaction, because the electrophilic alkyl halides forming a new bond with nucleophile, which substitute for replace the halogen at the alpha carbon. Okay, for this reaction we call as addition of hydrogen, which is alkane to the alkene added hydrogen at 150 degrees Celsius. And for alkene to the alkane, alkane undergoes reduction to an alkane. There's a few reactions of alkenes to alkyl halides, which is the addition of halogen, the addition of hydrogen halides at room temperature, and the addition of free radicals such as hydrogen bromide or peroxide. Then, the reaction for alkenes added with concentration sulfuric acid is to become alkyl hydrogen sulfate. Alkenes is react with ozone to generate the aldehydes. Alkene react with peroxybenzoic acid to become epoxide, which also the reaction is also known as epoxidation.
Now we go to alkene. There are 4 reactions from alkene to form alcohol. For halohydrin formation, alkene will added with 2 halogen and water to form alcohol. For the second reaction, we have oxymercuration and demercuration. For oxymercuration, alkene was added with water and mercury, and then for demercuration, we add sodium borohydrate to form alcohol. For the third reaction, in hydroboration, alkene was added with boron, trihydroboron and water. And for oxidation, the product of hydroboration was added with sodium hydroxide to form alcohol. And for the last reaction of alkene to alcohol, we have hydroxylation or mild oxidation by added potassium permanganate and peroxyformic acid to form alcohol. To form alkene from alcohol, we have dehydration reaction by added alcohol with phosphoric acid with heat and high temperature to form alkene. Now we go to alkyl halide reaction. There are 2 types of reaction for alkyl halide, which is elimination and nucleophilic substitution. For alkyl halide to alkene, we have elimination reaction by added alkyl halide with sodium borohydrate to form alkene. And from alkyl halide to alcohol, we have nucleophilic substitution by added alkyl halide with water or hydroxide to form alcohol. Then, for alkyl hydrogen sulfate, we can add water in warm condition to form alcohol. Now, we go to the alcohol reaction. As we can see, from alcohol to aldehyde, from alcohol to ketone, and for alcohol to carboxylic acid, there are 2 types of reaction are involved, which is oxidation and reduction. First, from alcohol to aldehyde, the reaction are involved is oxidation. First, alcohol was added with PCC to form aldehyde. From aldehyde to alcohol, reduction process are involved, involved by adding aldehyde with sodium borohydride and heat or lithium aluminum hydride to form alcohol. Now, from alcohol to ketone, the oxidation process are involved by second alcohol are added with potassium permanganate to form ketone, and from ketone to alcohol, reduction process are involved by added ketone with sodium borohydride in alcoholic or alkaline aqueous solution with heat, or we can use lithium aluminum hydride in dry ether to form alcohol. From alcohol to carboxylic acid, we can use oxidation process by adding first alcohol with potassium permanganate to form carboxylic acid, and from carboxylic acid to alcohol, we can add carboxylic acid with lithium aluminum hydride in dry ether in reduction process to form alcohol. And the last reaction, which is alcohol to ether, the reaction involved is Williamson ether synthesis by added first alcohol with sodium hydrate and iodomethane to form ether. Thanks for watching.